Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I will talking about unusual theme for my channel. It's about inspiration and how I searching for photos for my painting and how I making collages in Photoshop. So in this video I will showing a full process from a mood board with inspiration paintings that I can take like a basic for my painting, and I will show you how I searching for photos on the free stock, and then you will see how I'm making collage in Photoshop. So let's go. First of all, I'm trying to finding some art that can inspire me for my painting. I'm using for this point I'm using Pinterest. I'm start searching for object that I'm interested in. For this current paintings, this is a lotus flower or water lilies flower, and I'm just starting look for different styles, different paintings, mostly in oil technique. It's a more naturalistic style. It's more maybe abstract, and I just making group for these paintings for mood board, and you will see what I will making next. So in the next stage look for my mood board and start copying every painting that was interested for me. Some of them was photos, maybe photos. Some of them was more classical paintings. Mostly of them was in Manet style, because in this painting planning using unusual for me style technique with more abstracting brush strokes, and I'm planning to using green palette. That's absolutely unusual for me, because I'm mostly don't using green color. So, and also I wanna really badly making a volumetric painting. So in this current artwork have to be green colors and have to be something some mixing of classic paintings with abstract in Manet style, and it have to be structural volumetrics object. So it was very interesting plan from the start, and if I back to the result, I'm really happy what I get in the final, because it's really interesting and beautiful. After making mood board in the Photoshop and choosing color palettes, choosing painting styles, and some just inspiration photos, I'm going to the final stage. Is photo manipulation for composition of my future painting. I'm choosing few free stock photos and start combination them on the board. You can see how I'm retouching photos, how I'm changing colors on the screen. And also, if you are noticed, for this painting I'm choosing square shape, so my future painting have to be in green palette and square form on the panel, with using volumetric object that I'm making with structural paste, and it have to be in abstract style. You must be noticing that final result looks very different between my collage that I'm making for this painting and what I planning to do. But actually I prefer working with any painting in current mood, so all my paintings look in composition sense like a collages, but it can be uh, different to the way that they look like. So with water lilies painting, it was more inspiring moment where I just start making brush stroke like I'm feeling for this time, and it was absolutely cool, and I'm really happy with the result, and I absolutely don't care that my collage and final painting different. That's doesn't matter for me, if actually for me most important making a painting in that way how I planning it in my mind. I hope this video was interesting for you and you finding something useful in some of the stages of my work. And if you wanna, you can check another videos from my channel, and I will be very thankful for each of subscribing, for any comment that you leave and likes. See you in the next video. Have a good day and goodbye.